I call upon the people here present to witness that I, Christie Sue Coleman, take you, John Ross Martin, to be my lawful wedded husband. Mako, you were my friend before my partner. From the moment our paths crossed, you captivated me, distracted me, but most of all, you challenged me. I promise to love you exactly as you are, and never ask for more than you can give. I promise to laugh at every dad joke you make, no matter how bad they are. I'm thankful for all the ventures we've had, and the ones we're yet to have.
I call upon the people here present to witness that I, John Ross Martin, take you, Christie Sue Coleman, to be my lawful wedded wife. When we first met, it was under circumstances that I never thought would lead us here today. And I couldn't be more grateful for the things that went wrong. I promise to keep you sane when you go a little crazy. I'll give you the best of myself and ask no more than you can give. I promise to tell every bad dad joke, even when you don't want to hear them, because you never do. I vow to love you without condition, to honour you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy. I promise I will cherish every day with you until the very end. I love you.